Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about a tester which is based on the magnetic effect of electric current. So this is the diagram for that tester. So here is the switch. So when we will turn this switch on, then the current will start flowing through this cell to this wire. And this wire is a coil of copper wire which is wrapped around the compass. So when the current will start flowing through this, then this copper wire which is wrapped around this compass will behave like an electromagnet. And because of another magnetic field, the compass will get deflected. So this is about the tester, that how is that going to work. This current will start flowing through this copper wire coil, and then we will see the wire of the needle of the compass will get somewhat deflected. So now we should do it by an experiment, by a practical. So this is the practical. So I have made a tester which is based on the magnetic effect of electric current to test the conductance of some objects, whether someone conducts electricity or is that an insulator. So this tester is based on the same effect. So this is the switch and I am turning it on. So now we should test, is our tester working or not. So we will test these both free ends of the tester. We see that the compass needle gets deflected. So when I touch these both ends, the compass needle gets deflected. So this is how the tester works, because the circuit completes when I touch these two and the current starts flowing through this copper wire coil and the compass needle gets deflected. So now I should turn it off. So we will add some salt to this bowl of water so that this water will become conducting, and this is just some distilled water. So this should not conduct. So we should test it. So first I am adding some salt. This is just some common salts which we all can find at our homes. So I should mix it now. This may take a while, but we know that the salt contains some ions, and when this is mixed in the water, then the water also contains some ions and it becomes a solution of salt. So this should conduct electricity. This is what we have learned in our classes. So today we will learn it by doing an experiment which is done with this tester. So the salt is now almost mixed. This is the salt solution and this is some distilled water. So I am turning on the switch. Now first we will look at this compass needle and let it stable. So this is the distilled water and this is the salt solution. So the compass needle now is almost stable. This is pointing in north direction actually. So this is distilled water. So as we can see that no deflection is seen in the compass needle, because distilled water does not conduct electricity at all. And this is the salt solution. So I am adding putting the other wire in it, and we see the compass needle gets deflected. You can see the compass needle is moving. Let it stabilize. We should test it once more with distilled water. So the no deflection is seen because this is not conducting electricity. While in this salt water solution, we see deflection. This is because the circuits get completed and the current starts flowing through these two ends through the water, and then the circuit completes and some current flows through this wire. So this is all for today, and this was our tester which was based on magnetic effect of electric currents. Thank you.